Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to make ice cream. First, gather your essential ingredients, including heavy cream, whole milk, sugar, and your chosen flavorings like vanilla extract or cocoa powder. Make sure your ice cream maker's bowl is frozen solid, or prepare a shallow, freezer-safe container. Chilling your ice cream base mixture completely before churning is crucial for achieving a smooth, creamy texture. This initial preparation sets the stage for delicious homemade ice cream. To craft your ice cream base, combine the milk, sugar, and a small pinch of salt in a saucepan over medium heat, stirring until the sugar dissolves. If you're making a custard-style ice cream, whisk in tempered egg yolks and cook until the mixture thickens enough to coat the back of a spoon. Remove from heat, then stir in the heavy cream and your chosen flavorings, like 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract. This creates a rich, flavorful foundation. Once your base is thoroughly chilled, pour it into your ice cream maker and churn according to the manufacturer's instructions, typically for 20 to 30 minutes. The mixture will gradually thicken and should resemble soft-serve ice cream when it's done. After churning, transfer the soft ice cream into an airtight container. Freeze it for at least 4 to 6 hours, or until it reaches your desired firmness for a perfect scoop. Before serving, let your homemade ice cream sit at room temperature for about 5 to 10 minutes to soften slightly, making it easier to scoop. Get creative with toppings. Fresh berries, a drizzle of chocolate sauce, or colorful sprinkles can elevate your dessert experience. For more great deals and to check out the Echo Dot smart speaker, be sure to look for the link in the description below. Enjoy your delicious, custom-made ice cream.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.